Hello everyone, welcome back to the IELTS Workshop channel. My name is Mai Linh and I am a teacher at the IELTS Workshop. So today I'm going to present to you some captivating idioms about fathers in celebration of the upcoming Father's Day. So let's get started. Now I will give you some background information about Father's Day. Father's Day is not fixed every year, but is usually on the third Sunday in June. So for this year, Father's Day is on June the 18th. And Father's Day is often held to celebrate the contribution that fathers and father figures make for their children's lives. So now I would introduce to you a few idioms that you can use in speaking. The first idiom that I would like to recommend is the founding father. A founding father is a man who was instrumental in the creation or pioneering of something. For example, many people consider Alexander Fleming to be the founding father of modern antibiotics. Another idiom that I would like to introduce is the tiger father. Similar to the tiger mother, which has been mentioned in the previous video about idioms related to mothers, the tiger father is said about a particularly strict father who makes sure that their children work very hard at school in order to achieve success. For instance, my friends and I often joke about how the only reasons we got jobs was because our father made sure that we never took a day off from our studies. So the final idiom that I would like to mention is like father, like son, similar to like mother, like daughter. Like father, like son is often mentioned about the son who shows similarities to his father in mannerisms, behaviors, or interests, etc. Let's take it as an example. I hope that my son will grow up tall and decent like his father, like son. So these are some idioms that I would like to introduce to you, and I hope that these idioms will be useful for you. So thank you for your time and consideration. I hope to see you next time.